Say goodbye to smoky evenings. The Timberwolf Smokeless Fire Pit is designed to keep the air clear, making your outdoor gatherings more enjoyable. Enjoy the warmth of the fire without the discomfort of smoke, just good company and great times. Lightweight and easy to move, the Timberwolf is perfect for any setting. Whether you're rearranging your backyard or heading out on a camping adventure, this fire pit is ready to accompany you wherever the night takes you. What makes the Timberwolf stand out? Its innovative secondary burner function enhances performance during startup and burn down, ensuring a consistent and reliable fire every time you light up. Available in medium or large sizes and sleek stainless steel or striking phantom black, the fire pit is more than just a source of warmth. It's a stylish statement piece for your outdoor space. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel with a high-temp painted finish, the Timberwolf is built to withstand the elements while maintaining a chic appearance. Tough yet stylish, it's made for outdoor enjoyment. Cleanup is a breeze with the drop-in, removable ashtray. Simply take it out, empty it, and you're all set for your next gathering. The Timberwolf comes fully equipped with a base ring, cover, spark screen, and poker, providing everything you need for a safe and enjoyable experience. Fuel it your way. Whether it's wood or pellets, you can choose the option that works best for your fire. Don't forget the fun. Roast marshmallows or hot dogs over the flames, turning every gathering into a special occasion. With the Timberwolf Smokeless Fire Pit, you can enhance your outdoor experience, whether it's a lively night with friends or a peaceful evening under the stars. The Timberwolf brings comfort, style, and a better way to enjoy fire.